Hi, now we have first-hand knowledge of analyze and design. We will go down in each of the functionality. In this lecture, we will get to know about some features of clear filter, select and move pivot table in action tab. The first option of actions is clear, which has again two options, clear all and clear filters. Clear all will remove all the arrangements we have made in the pivot table. It will remove all columns, rows and values and make the pivot table blank as it was in initial stage. While in clear option, it will remove all the filters and will be set to default all. Now, the second option of actions is select, which has a feature of selection of labels and values for the compact pivot. Now the other option is select entire pivot table. You can select full pivot table here. Now the third option of actions is move pivot table, which will move the pivot in another worksheet or at a different cell in the same worksheet. Let us understand this through the practical way. First try clear filters. Select filter ship mode to first class and segment to corporate. Then select state Arizona and California. Now we will try clear filters. Let's see what has happened. All our filters are gone and we are back to all in filters. Now try clear all. Let's rearrange our pivot table and do clear all. Oh, now you can see our pivot table is empty now. Filters, column, rows, values are also empty. Let us back to original one with the Ctrl Z. Now we will go to another option of select. Here, values and label options are disabled, since it will be available for compact and detailed pivot table. Let's try to select entire pivot table. As we can see, the entire pivot table is selected. Now let's do the Ctrl C and try to paste the pivot table in another cell. We'll do the Ctrl V and it is pasted. The entire layout, style, design, data range is copied. Now the question is, are they referring to the same data or they are separate instances of the pivot table? Okay, we will see here. Let's try to change the filters in the first pivot table. We will change the ship mode to first class in first pivot, and in the second pivot table, we will change the filter ship mode to second class. Now you can see the separate data in the both pivot. It means they are separate instances of the pivot table. Okay, now let's place our cursor in the second pivot table and select Move Pivot Table. Now the two options are available with us to move the pivot table in a new worksheet or in the same worksheet. Let's select the new worksheet and press OK. The pivot table is moved to the new worksheet. That is okay for this session. In the next lecture, we will explore, refresh and change data source. Thank you.